Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff and I'm driving. So today we're off to Crisfield, Maryland. Home of, what is the house of the Terrapin?
Home of the Terrapin King.
Oh, Terrapin King. I kept putting
I don't know, I keep saying it wrong too.
So supposedly this house is back from the 1800s. It has, it was built by the originator of the Terrapin Soup Company. So it's out in the middle of nowhere,
it's
isolated.
on the peninsula.
Yep.
So there's going to be a lot of fishing and crabbing.
And this is different from the Sound because this is on the Chesapeake Bay, or a part of it. I think it's called the Tangier Sound.
So we have our kayak tied to the top of our hood here, or roof, whatever you call it.
And that's probably the only reason Terry put the camera on, is because
I get nervous.
Right.
I get super nervous.
And I don't know why you get nervous. It's tied down, it's anchored, it's sitting on fruit racks that are made for the truck, and it's fine. But you always worry, is it tied on? Did you check the straps? Did you do this?
There's Larry, and he's got his kayak on top of his car.
Right.
But his stands straight up. He's nervous too about it because it just doesn't.
I just keep looking at it. It keeps bouncing.
And you hear that
fine.
whistling?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but
it's just the straps.
Yeah, it just makes me very nervous.
We've ran this to how many campgrounds like this, and it's been fine. Not to say nothing will happen when this big tractor trailer goes by. No, but it didn't. See, it's still on there. But you're the co-pilot, so you're supposed to keep track of the kayak.
Yeah.
And what happens if it falls off?
We're shit out of luck.
We keep going. That's what we do.
Yeah, right.
As long as it doesn't hit another car.
You know what? I might mount this camera.
On?
Let me see. On the windshield. Would that bother you?
I don't think it would, but I don't know.
Is that legal?
I don't think you're supposed to have anything on your dashboard.
Guess I should have checked that out.
Right. Virginia's the only one I worry about, because Virginia's like pretty strict on all their speeding and anything like that.
All right. I won't do it then.
Speed checks, all kind of crap. So.
Okay. I'll pick it up later.
All right.
What is your problem? Why is it that you stop so late? Everybody's got their brake lights on, and you're just looking straight ahead.
I look ahead 2 car lengths, and then when they hit their brakes is when I hit mine. Just because the freak in front of me hit his too soon. That's what it is.
You have to watch. You have to watch the car in front of you.
I do watch it, but I'm looking ahead like a good race car driver.
Many accidents where the person driving is watching the traffic up ahead and not the car in front of them.
What are you, from the DMV, and you're like giving a driver's test or a driver class?
No, I'm just telling you.
You're older than me. You know more, right?
Excuse me, I'm 1 month older than you.
Yes, you just said it. You're older than me.
You're making me step on the brakes, and it's because you
can't step on the brakes. You got your foot curled up next to the air conditioner ducts. You can't put your foot on the brake.
All right.
You're getting toe jam on my dashboard. We still got a freaking hour and 12 minutes left. This was supposed to be like a quick trip. Now it seems like it's taking forever.
That's because we had 2 stops. Actually, no, 3 stops.
3 stops. Wawa was good to you, though, because Terry had to stop and pee because she drank too much water before we left. Everybody knows you don't drink water before you leave. That's what you tell your kids. Don't drink so much water before you go on a trip.
I went to the bathroom before I left. I can't help it if it went right through me.
Right, well,
you're
supposed to be the adult here.
You better get happy, Ridgway.
I'm starving. I didn't eat anything today.
You didn't eat anything?
M&M peanuts.
Okay, what's this barrel of pretzels right here? You just were eating pretzels.
Okay, I just ate it. It still hadn't made a dent in the emptiness, though. So I need to eat.
Yeah.
And I still got now an hour and 11 minutes left.
You know, it's good to fast once in a while.
I do every day. I don't eat anything till noon. I just have my coffee. 24-ounce coffee. Stop. God, it's like every time you turn around, Delaware is a stop sign or a stop street.
Hey, hon, it's a psychic place. You want to stop in there?
No.
It says happiness and success.
Well, I'm not going to go there. If I stop, it's not going to get me happy.
No?
Unless it was a psychic restaurant.
Well, maybe she has snacks or
Maybe, I doubt it. We got snacks. I don't feel like snacks. I want like a cheesesteak or a pizza steak or something with fries.
All right.
Something to warrant my cholesterol pill. We already caught up to Larry and Diana.
Oh yeah, I see their kayak.
I guess that's them. I can't see the color.
Yeah, there's nobody else who has a crooked sideways kayak.
Right, other than us.
No, ours is on straight. It's just slipping.
Oh, stop.
Jeffrey,
What?
we don't do that.
Well, you
That's
always
not how
scream,
you play.
brake light!
Oh,
So?
you are getting on my nerves.
Thank you.
Okay, you see the house? This is our house that we're going to. It's that far away. It's on a peninsula, and we have not been able to find the right road.
And we're on the wrong road. Where the heck is it? Look, you look at all out there.
Like, I don't know where we're going to go to get to this place.
It's crazy. Look. Look. Look at that face.
I'm filming. How are we
We got to go down to 4th Street and out. Right?
I guess.
Okay, it's all good. Woohoo!
Guys, we can't get to our house. This is
It's
so
going
funny.
back to the same damn place.
We are going around in circles. We cannot find our house that we rented. This is hilarious. Look, Ridgway, you
Why
gotta.
do you ask so many questions and you don't have any clue where you're at either? Why do we make a left? Why do we go right? Why? Where's Cove Street? Cove Street there. Why did you follow them? You're just like you're batshit crazy.
You're kidding.
And you should have made a left back there. No, I should have made a left. There wasn't a left. It was like going to the
I apologize
swamp.
for the camera.
What?
So much, but I'm laughing
Look.
hysterically.
Look at Larry. He's up there. He's making a left on the same road we made a left on before.
You're so upset.
It is. It's like Groundhog Day over and over again. I can't.
It's okay. We will get there. It's
I'll rent
still
that place
daylight.
right there. I have no problem with it.
Turn
Now,
left on Hammock Drive.
now
There
Hammock
you go.
Drive. Turn left on Hammock Drive. And it took us this place before. Look, look.
Okay, because we don't have the right thing typed in or something. I don't know. But you need to chill.
God.
How you doing?
Norris Drive.
Now they're saying that you go through this guy's yard that has a no trespassing sign, and that's the only way to get to this house. So
Okay, that sounds okay.
I did some deep breathing.
You did some
Left on
yoga?
Norris Drive.
Yeah. Okay.
This is just hard to believe.
Uh-huh.
You cut through that person's house.
There
but
is no
There's
cut
no
through.
road. There's no road. What? How are you cutting through it?
That's what
It goes right to. There's no road.
this is so great.
This is hilarious. Oh no. Oh shit. Look at this.
It is.
Oh my god.
I should have brought a cone and stuck it out front here.
They should have some signs up or something. Look, this is the road that we have to go down. Isn't that something?
This is something.
Oh my
This is like a murder
God.
mystery here, isn't it? God,
Jeff,
I
look how
should've
close the water
been- should have been
is.
packing for this.
Could you imagine if a storm came up?
Yeah, I can imagine.
This is the road that leads to the house.
Hell!
Guys.
It leads
This-
to hell!
This is. Stop. But this is kind of creepy, isn't
It
it?
is kind of creepy. There was a music video done at this house, too. Satanic rituals and shit, probably.
A music video.
Yeah, there was. V something something. I remember seeing it when I was looking at the site. This is crazy shit.
Wow.
Wait till Robin and Chris try to find this
I
place.
know. This is so funny that we came this way. What, 3 times?
3 times now.
We didn't even know that this existed.
And they say
This
you can
is
walk.
very creepy.
They say 4 minutes to get to the town.
And
you walk.
since the house is 18
1880s.
something?
You'll
18.
arrive in 1,000
It could be
feet.
haunted, hon.
Yep. That's what we can only hope.
Oh, this is going to be so much fun.
At least we made it.
Look how tall it's somebody could be hiding in here.
There's probably people hiding behind us. It's like the old freaking Children of the Corn. They're all hiding Children of the Reeds. I should have taken that canoe now.
Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, hey, look. Look at
This-
the water's all the way up to the like swamp, all the way around it. Oh my God.
You scared?
I'm gonna die.
Look at it. Oh my God.
Jesus God.
Look how high the water
And
is.
look at the little islands out there across the water. They look higher than here.
Look how high it is over here. Oh my
You've
God.
arrived at your destination. Well, hell smells. I guess we did.
Look at
Oh
that.
my God.
Oh my goodness. Where you at, Lar?
Called an oyster. You know, you're a good fisherman when you get a little shellfish there too.
I've actually never seen an oyster.
Yeah, they're not very attractive, are they? But hey, maybe
Can you open it up?
there's a pearl inside. I don't know. I never opened an oyster before. Have you?
Nope.
Jeff, you ever opened an oyster before? What? Huh? Did you ever open an oyster before? No. How do you open them?
There could be something in there. What do you say?
Just beat it with a rock. Yeah, right.
Don't they shuck oysters just like they do clams with a sharp knife in
If I had a
there?
knife, I'd be able to open that up.
What about the end of the scissors?
I don't think they'd be strong enough.
Oh, you got it. Ew, that's disgusting.
Not even a pearl.
I dare you.
No way, you do it.
No way. This town. It's like something out of a Stephen King novel. There's nobody there. That's Crisfield, Maryland. We were expecting a nice little quaint town with open shops, and there's hardly any people in there. It's like something happened. Or they're all vampires and they only come out.
We went to
late
one
at night.
restaurant 3 times, and they look at us funny every time when they're like they've never seen us before. It's like it's all the same people in there.
Yeah, I think there's
It's
like
a
either,
recurring nightmare that somebody's had.
or they're zombies. Maybe they're zombies and they only come out at night.
And the property is so cheap around here. You would think people would be coming here to be near the water. But again, there's nobody around here.
It's very, very ominous and desolate. I mean, look at the big buildings and the distance. There's nothing there.
And they're all for sale.
There's no cars. We go past these marinas. There's all these boats, but there's nobody out fishing.
We were in the ice cream place last night.
Bizarre.
Yeah, this way.
You can see it really well.
Tornado with a view, hon.
Oh my God!
We got.
Larry, doesn't that mean we need to go somewhere?
It's a waterspout. Oh,
Did you see that? Jeff, get off of the dock! What is it?
It's a foam cloud. It's a tornado in the water right now.
And it's coming right for us.
It sure looks like.
This ain't funny!
It's shark tornado.
Come
What
on,
is
Jeff,
that?
let's
What?
go! You shouldn't be...
It's Sharknado.
Jeff, I'm not kidding! Get in here right now!
Just blowing so hard.
Jeff! I'm not kidding!
This weather is not fit for man or beast.
Let's go! Look at that, Diana!
I see it. We don't have a basement.
Jeff, I'm not kidding! Stop fishing right now!
Yes, Tom.
Ah!
I did. Water spouts are typically not as strong as tornadoes because they pick up the water so easily.
What do you think you're doing? It's not even funny, Jeff.
I want to take a picture with my phone.
Water spouts are what? They're not
as
dangerous?
strong as regular tornadoes.
Oh!
I don't know. Look at that.
I gotta get my phone and take a
It picks up
picture.
the water so easily that it forms more easily than it does on land.
What is that out there? Is that a ship?
Kind of looks like it, doesn't it?
Well, what would we do? Do we have a plan?
You're gonna get in the car, put your seatbelt on.
And just drive?
No, just sit there. I might drive on the mainland.
Oh. Look, it looks nasty over there. Man. Happy first day.
This doesn't happen every day.
What is that over there?
I just saw lightning come out of the funnel.
Oh,
So cool.
and I missed it. That's my middle name, Terry Miss It. So how far would you say that is?
I saw lightning come out. Did you see it?
No. I was watching you over there. I kept telling Larry to look, and he kept looking down. You see all that lightning? But look at the bottom of it, where it's in the water. It almost looks like it's coming up.
That place is interesting looking over there.
You just missed all the lightning.
Of course, every time I turn a camera, I get. So another day, no kayaking.
I know, the wind's been crazy.
Yeah.
This morning, everything out there was, the waves are crashing, the white caps, I guess it's because of the tide change
Yeah, it's
and
a
the
little
wind.
too much.
Yeah, so I don't want to chance it going out there. But, I mean, the fishing's been good, it's just crazy. The
Yeah.
currents. Maybe it's just that it's normal for here. But did you see that Smith Island, when that waterspout, we were out
Well,
there?
yeah, we were outside. Remember? And
But
I
I
was
didn't know
yelling
it
at
touched
you. 'Cause you
ground, or
wanted-
it went to ground. I thought it was just, over
yeah,
the ocean.
you thought it was a big old joke, didn't you?
Well, life's a joke to me, I know. But still, did you see all the damage? It was like an F1, 110
Yeah.
mile an hour. It was a video I seen this morning when I was looking it up because they were talking about it at the breakfast. And yeah, I guess it ripped the shit out of all the houses along the one side. It was crazy. But I never thought that when when you're looking across the bay. I've seen waterspouts before, and we were out there when it started. Larry goes, "Hey, look! There's a waterspout forming," and it was started and it slowly comes down to the water, and then you see the water picking up and spraying at the bottom of it, and then it sucked back up again, and then it just kept going across the thing, and then you guys all came out, and I think you got a shot of it, didn't you?
Yeah, I got a shot of it, but not as good as it.
Because you were screaming at me, "Get off the dock!"
Yeah.
So me being an ass and probably was drinking a little bit, I was acting a little goofy, but I just, I feel sorry for those people in Smith Island. I guess
There's a lot of destruction, wasn't there?
yeah. The article I read.
I'll see if I can find some pictures or something that I could put up, and so everybody can see it. But yeah, they are dangerous.
Yeah, and again, I've never seen them. I've seen them come across the water before boating, but yeah,
Right.
it was weird.
So
But I
what,
think it was on like Del Marvin now or something like that.
so what do you want to do?
Well, I guess we're
do
gonna
you want
be
to go
fishing.
fishing again?
We're gonna have to fish off land, like I said, and at least we have the poles still out there. We're gonna head out and do some fishing. So everybody have a good day, and hope we catch fish.